Hi, I'm John with the FUTEK Technical Support Team, and in this video I'll be going over some of the features and benefits of the IPM650. When we set out to design the IPM650, we took a hard look at one of our most popular instruments, the IPM500. The IPM650 is capable of up to 4,800 samples per second. This is a vast improvement over the 60 samples per second offered by the IPM500. To keep up with this higher sampling rate, we designed a more responsive analog output. The IPM650 has up to 24 bits of internal resolution. As an example of the resolution capable with the IPM650, you can take a 2 mV per volt output sensor with the 100-pound capacity and resolve down to 0.00038 pounds. Here, we've taken a 1 pound or 453.6 gram LSB200 load cell, and we've placed 100 grams onto the load cell. Next, we've taken 20 milligrams and added that to the total weight. As you can see, the IPM500 did not register this change. With the same load cell in the IPM650, we add the 100 grams. Next, we're adding the same 20 milligrams to the total weight. As you can see, the IPM650 is able to register this change. The IPM500 is a very popular instrument in the production environment, so we set out to bring the same quality found in the test environment to the production floor. As a result, we're able to bring better accuracy, better resolution, and better response times. To demonstrate the responsiveness of the IPM650 analog output, we fed a 10 millivolt square wave signal into the IPM650 and IPM500 at 1 Hz. The input signal is shown in yellow. The analog output of the IPM500 is shown in blue and is following the input 1 Hz yellow signal. The analog output of the IPM650 is shown in magenta and is also following the input 1 Hz yellow signal. Here, we've increased the input yellow signal from 1 Hz to 10 Hz. You can see that the IPM500 is showing some distortion, while the IPM650 still continues to follow the yellow 10 Hz input signal. When we increase the yellow input signal to 100 Hz, you can see that the IPM500 is no longer representative of the input signal, but that the IPM650 still continues to follow the input signal. The IPM650 is RoHS compliant and CE approved. In addition to accepting millivolt per volt inputs, the IPM650 also accepts amplified inputs from sensors with voltage and current outputs. The IPM650 can be used with the FUTEK Sensing software. Additionally, we offer a DLL file that allows the IPM650 to be used with programs such as LabVIEW and Visual Studios. Combine the high sampling rate, responsive analog output, and high resolution, and the IPM650 offers an instrument that can be used at faster rates in a production system while delivering better control feedback and more precise measurements. This results in an overall increase in efficiency and output. With the addition of the LCD screen to the IPM650, it allows the ability to display additional information along with the current reading, such as the unit the reading is in, for example, newtons or pounds. It also has allowed for a more user-friendly interface, resulting in less setup time. There are also more buttons available on the IPM650, such as the units button. With the push of this button, you can change from newton to pounds, and the IPM650 will calculate the readings accordingly to the new unit. This is much easier than the IPM500, where you'd have to change the calibration setting for the capacity. The lockout feature in the IPM650 has been improved with the use of a customizable password. We've also designed the IPM650 to power using a 12-volt DC power adapter. This reduces the risk of damage from an unstable power supply.